Hello students, this is Amrita ma'am from Unique Learning Classes. Today we will do objective type questions answer. The name of the chapter is Life Processes. So let's start. Question is, which of the following is the significance of respiration in plants? First option, it provides carbon dioxide to animals. Second, it liberates energy. Third, it liberates oxygen. Fourth option is all of these. Second answer is right. Second option is right. It liberates energy. 15th, respiratory pigment found in humans is bilirubin, hemoglobin, biliverdin, urochrome. The right option is hemoglobin. 16. In plants, exchange of gases occurs across the surface of first option roots and stems only, stems and leaves only, leaves only, stems, leaves and roots. Right answer is stems, leaves and roots. 17th, the opening and closing of stomata is a function of guard cells, air spaces, vascular bundle, stomatal pore. Right answer is guard cells. 18th, rate of breathing in an aquatic organisms first is much slower than that seen in terrestrial organisms. Second, is much faster than that seen in terrestrial organisms. Third, is not related to that of terrestrial organisms. Fourth, equals to that seen in terrestrial organisms. Right answer is much faster than that seen in terrestrial organisms. 19th, in which of the following process CO2 is released? First, glycolysis, photosynthesis, alcohol fermentation, lactic acid fermentation. The right answer, alcohol fermentation. Materials like sucrose are transferred into phloem tissue using energy from ATP. Diffusion pressure. Third, energy from sunlight. Fourth option is energy from ADP. Right answer, energy from ATP. 22nd, graveyard of RBCs is first, kidneys, heart, gallbladder, spleen. Right option, spleen. 23rd, the pressure of blood is maximum in first, arteries, second, capillaries, third, veins, fourth, lymph vessels. First option is right, arteries. High blood pressure is caused by first option, decreased resistance to blood flow. Second, constriction of artery. High blood pressure is caused by first option, decreased resistance to blood flow. Second, constriction of arterioles. Third, rupture of artery and vein. Fourth, exchange of material between blood and surrounding cells. The right option, constriction of arterioles. 25th, lymph contains first, less proteins than blood plasma. Second, more proteins than blood plasma. Third, equal amount of proteins as in blood plasma. Fourth, does not contain protein. Right option, less proteins than blood plasma. Lymph carries undigested and absorbed fat, undigested and absorbed lipid, digested and unabsorbed lipid. Fourth, digested and absorbed fat. Fourth option is right, digested and absorbed fat. 27. The only artery which carries deoxygenated blood receives blood by pumping of which part of the heart? First, left ventricle. Second, left auricle. Third, right ventricle. Fourth, right auricle. Right option, right ventricle. 28. And the last question, 28. In plants, at the root, cells in contact with the soil actively take up. First option, ions, salts, cations only, anions only. Right option, ions. Alright for today, students. Alright students, if you like, then please subscribe, share it among your friends. Bye bye. Thank you.